Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen. I am so happy to have you here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. And today's video is about a company, and their name is Dermelect Cosmeceuticals. And initially I had posted a comment on their Instagram that I had only known them for their nail products. So I will show you a few of their nail products that I have. I have a few. I have to get a few more. Can't find my clear coat. So this is Launchpad. I don't know why that's not focusing. So that's that. And then this is a product called Makeover. And this is the box. So I have a backup. So I have only known them basically as a nail care company. And they have oils for, they have a kit for hard to grow nails. They have damage relief kits. They have nail makeover kits, remedy kits. They just have so many nail products that are phenomenal. And I think fairly priced considering they are a treatment. Their nail lacquers are beautiful also. I think I have one color, and that's with all my nail polish. I would have to get that out. And their products last a long time in a bottle. I don't have a problem with them coming off my nails. I do use like a manicure booster as a top coat. So then therefore it helps keep your manicure and your nail color, for me anyway, to stay on longer. So like I said, I've only known them as a nail company. I had no idea that they had such a huge skincare line. So I reached out to them and was like, I love your nail care products. I had no clue you were skincare. And they commented back about sending me a few of their skincare products to try out. So I was thrilled with that. Good skincare is something I think we all strive to find. And this is a fairly priced skincare. It's not anything that is so outrageous that you couldn't afford it. And me being on a budget, I can definitely afford this skincare. So I received this the other day with a nice little card inside. Beautiful presentation. Beautiful presentation from Dermelect. Basically, saying, Maureen, sending you some of our skincare favorites. We hope you love them as much as we do. And this is from the Dermelect team. This is my first package that I have ever received from a cosmeceuticals company. I've received a few other, subscription boxes for free to review, or just, for free in general. But this is my first skincare company or cosmeceutical company that has sent me products. And that is my end goal, to receive products so that I can review and share with all of you guys, where I would be able to do giveaways and so forth like that. So hopefully this sets me on the right path for that. So this is the first product, and I don't know why this is not focusing tonight. I don't know what it needs to focus. Okay, so this is the Dermelect, and this is the Pore Revolution and T-Zone Mattifier. Okay. I'm going to open this. And tonight is going to be the first night I'm going to exfoliate my skin. And I am going to start using all of these products. And I will take before and after pictures. So this is what the product looks like. This is okay. And it's just your, squeeze applicator. You do not need, in any skincare, you do not need a lot of product to get results. So that is the Pore Revolution and T-Zone Mattifier. Let me tell you a little bit about that. I wrote down some notes so that I would not miss anything. I wanted to give you guys some good information. This instantly sequesters oils, masks shine and reduces the appearance of large clogged pores with a combination of the best natural and lab-derived ingredients. This pore minimizer is 0.5 ounces, and the price on their website is $28. And it actually, I put a little bit on my finger to smell it. It smells very nice, very spa-like, very refreshing, and I am so excited to try that. I do have enlarged pores, a little bit like on my nose, on the sides of my nose, on my cheeks, and a little bit on my chin, and anything that's going to minimize them. Sometimes with primers, it's just not enough, so we need to attack the problem at the skincare level. So I'm so excited to try that. The next product that they sent me, and they did ask me what 2 products I would like, and she wound up sending me 3, so that is very good. And this is the Self-Esteem Neck Firming Lift, and this is a 2-ounce jar of cream. I'll open this up for you. And this is Dermelect, and this is nice shine finish on it. And it does have one of the, just do this on camera, one of the, the lids. So it's a nice cream, and it's a full pot. It's not, nothing has settled. There's not this huge air pocket, which annoys me to no end. So this is a nice product. And let me see about the scent. And this has no scent to it, which, sometimes you don't want scent in skincare, and especially if it's going to fight with other products that you might use. So I am noticing, in my, I'm 57 years old, so I'm starting to notice a little crepiness in my neck. I don't have any, really my face and my skin, I have been using good skincare and maybe a little bit of genetics. I do have very few fine lines and wrinkles. So, but I have noticed a little bit of crepiness on my neck and just extremely dry skin. So I am thrilled to try that product. And a little bit about the neck. So that's 2 ounces. And the value on their website is $45. And this is a universal treatment for all skin types. Let me see. Neck. Okay. This is a non-greasy formula, which I did, a little bit in my fingers and was not greasy. That is the worst feeling. And this is a comprehensive blend of ingredients combined to help hydrate and streamline the appearance of the delicate skin of the neck, lower jaw, cheek, and chin. And a few of the products that I did notice that were in this are avocado oil, shea butter, and green tea extract. That few items that stick out that I think most of us would have heard of. But yet there is not a heavy scent, but avocado oil and shea butter or shea butter are always very nice for your skin. So hopefully I'm going to consistently use these and nothing else for the next 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. I have before pictures that I will take tonight when I cleanse my skin and use only these products on my skin, and then we'll take pictures and I will share all that information with you guys. But I am so excited to try all these products. And then the next product that I was sent is the Outcrease Retinol Trifecta Serum. And I was using a little thing of retinol, but I just think it was so heavily diluted that I was not going to get any benefits. I don't know if that is going to focus or not. I don't know why I'm not getting a good focus on this. Okay, so this hat is a nice size bottle. So this is, I'm trying to find the ounces here. And this is a 1 ounce bottle. It has a dropper applicator, and on their website, the value is $39. So here, and a dropper, and then you just press this button on the top to fill the dropper, and you really only need, from what I was reading, a drop like on each cheek, on your forehead, maybe on your chin, and just rub it in. And from what I was reading and had taken notes on, because like I said, I didn't want to miss that this was something that you could use. I think this was the one, yes, day and evening. You can use this. This is a universal treatment for all skin types. It has a micro-encapsulated delivery system to minimize the risk of any skin irritation. Sometimes retinol can be very irritating to the skin. This Outcrease retinol trifecta serum has 3 types of retinol to effectively target the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, thick skin, and sun damage. And I was reading a lot of the reviews on the site that a lot of people were noticing that this really did help with age spots. So if anybody has that issue, this might be a great product to try. Let me see. So there's 3 types of retinol. And this is a 1 ounce. Yes, a 1 ounce bottle. A little bit about their website. If you subscribe to their newsletter on their website, you get 10% off your first order. They are cruelty free, so they're part of the Leaping Bunny program, and that's, you'll see that pink bunny on their website. They offer free shipping on orders of $50 or more, and there's always free samples included with every order. And what I love is they have a 30-day bottom of the jar guarantee. You buy something, you use it all, scrape the last little bits out of the bottom, and you don't see results or you're not happy, you can send it back. They have a rewards program, which you can look into if you are interested. And if you look on their website, it seems like Dermelect has been featured in countless magazines and articles. And it says that their complete range of products was founded on the principle of providing innovative solutions to empower you with results shrouded in luxury. Our mission is for you to exude an inner confidence while your new outer beauty is on show. And I love that statement right there, that we want our skincare to work and work effectively so that our skin can look its best. I mean, my goal is better skincare, maybe less makeup. I don't like heavy makeup. I don't like full coverage foundations and all this heavy concealers and all that. I would rather have better skin using better skincare products and have to use less and less makeup as I get older. Older skin, it's a little bit more crepey. You start with the fine lines and wrinkles and dry skin, and you start to lose your elasticity and all kinds of issues as you get older. So I'm all about finding affordable, on a budget, great skincare. And I think I might have found it with this company, which is Dermelect. And I do have here, so you can see here, you can see the cruelty-free. They're on all websites, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube. Cruelty-free. And here, I'll just show you this. So here's just a few. Products. Eyes. Skincare. And then there's some of their nail care, which I absolutely love. And just a few more of their products. And this was a brochure that I had gotten in one of my nail products, which I never really even looked at. I usually just throw all that stuff away, and I don't know what made me look at this, and was, like I said, I was shocked to find out that they offered all this great skincare. So I am so thankful to Dermelect for be willing to send me, and these are full-size products. They could have very well sent me samples. They did not, which tells me a lot about their company. And I hope that everyone will at least give Dermelect a chance for their skincare. Like I said, their products are very affordable. I, hate to fall in love with a product and find out that it costs $80 or $100 to repurchase. And that just is something that is totally out of my budget. And it seems like a lot of their skincare products are in the affordable range, and they're pretty good size products, the pots for creams and the retinol. I mean, that is a lot of retinol and you only need a few drops. I mean, that will last a long time. So if that's $45, but it lasts me 3 months, 6 months, or even longer, then it's, you know, then it's extremely affordable. And their nail products, this bottle here, I mean, you can see that I have not used that much of it, and I've been using this for a while, and I use that as a base coat before I put anything on my nails. It has keratin in it, which I love. My nails are a mess right now, but they're grown out. They need to be redone. But normally I cannot have my nails this long when we change seasons from summer into fall, winter, that they will snap in a second, break, crack, do all kinds of stuff. But by using that, I have noticed that I have not had any breakage, any cracking, any peeling, just because of the drastic temperature change. So I'm thrilled about that. Sometimes I want my nails long for a while, and sometimes I cut them and keep them short. And this is a relatively new product for me, this Launchpad. So I will be trying that. And this has peptide infused nail strengthener. My nails are very strong, but I will try that also. And like I said, I have a backup of the Makeover because I do love that immensely. So besides great nail care and great nail polish, they also have great skincare. From every review that I read on their websites, and I was in their website reading every review that I can find on more than just these 3 products, and it seems like everyone is just raving about Dermelect. So that is my video today from Dermelect. And once again, thank you to the Dermelect team for sending me these products. I cannot wait to start using them tonight and share my progress with everyone, and hopefully work together in the future. And thank you very much, and have a good night. Bye.